Okay, so I'm going to try my hands on some examples to show you how fast I am after learning this trick. Okay, so let's take 43 times 47. Okay, and the answer is 2021. Okay, let's take 31 times 39. Okay, and the answer is 1209. Okay, so I'm going to show you the trick under this and how I got it fast anytime I write it. So let's jump into the trick. Okay, so let me show you how this trick works. Okay, so when you're given number like 52 times 58, okay, the first thing you need to consider is this. Okay, which number comes after 5? The number that comes after 5 is 6. So multiply the 6 times this number. Okay, so 6 times 5 will give you 30. Okay, then you multiply 2 times 8, which is 16, and that's the final answer. Let's take another example. So let's take 112 times 118. Okay, so which number comes after 11? Okay, so the number that comes after 11 is 12. So multiply the 12 times 11, this number, and you will get 132. Okay, then you multiply the 2 times 8, which is 16. Okay, let's take one more example. So if we have 54 times 56, the number that comes after 5 is 6. Okay, so let's multiply the 6 times this 5, then we will get 30. Then let's multiply 4 times 6, which is 24. Okay, let's take another example. Let's take 63 times 67. Okay, so the number that comes after 6 is 7. Okay, so 7 times 6 is 42. Okay, let's multiply 3 times 7. The product of 3 times 7 is 21. That's the final answer. So this is for you. Solve this just in 3 seconds. 83 times 87. And your time starts now. It's up. So the final answer will be 7221. Okay, so the number that comes after 8 is 9. We multiply the 9 times this 8 and we got 72. Then we multiply the 3 times 7 and we got 21. But friends, there is a condition in applying this method. This trick can only be applied when the 2 conditions are satisfied. What are the 2 conditions? So the first condition is that the first digits should be the same. The first digits should be the same. And the second condition is that the unit digits should be 10 when you sum it up. When the 2 conditions is satisfied, This trick will work like magic. If you look at the examples we saw, you will see that the conditions worked or were satisfied in all the examples we saw. In case the two conditions are not satisfied, no problem, because some more method exists and I will tell you about it in my next video.